What to choose, caulking tools or fingers? Caulking tools, finisher tools, or fingers? Choosing the right tools is a crucial step to get neat caulking lines and an enjoyable view of your bath or kitchen for a long time. You cannot effectively choose the tool without understanding its purpose and the pros and cons of each method. Hi there, my name is Julia, and today we are going to cover 3 different tools for caulking. The first one, plain old fingers. If you are looking into caulking jobs, you probably heard a lot about it. But how effective is it? The main advantage is that you save on additional tools. But there are multiple downsides. The result is less pleasing compared to using a specialized tool. Caulk will be hard to wash off hands and nails, and potentially harmful to the skin. The second is finisher tool. This tool makes a straight line. It perfectly fits the floor or wall, but only in segments without corners. You might ask, what's wrong with corners? If you are not experienced in caulking, it will be difficult to make neat lines. While professionals enjoy using this tool, be prepared that you won't get the desired result the first time. And the third one is caulking tool. This tool makes a semicircular line. Most likely the caulking work in your apartment was done this way. This particular tool is perfect if you have no experience with caulk. For the first time I caulked my kitchen, I was surprised how professionally the result looked. Based on my case experience, I can definitely recommend this tool for those who have no experience with caulking. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like it if you find it valuable, and don't forget to subscribe to see my other tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you later.